Good morning everyone, I'm Thương. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, let's talk about a day explore Hanoi with my sister and my nephew. Today, my sister has the day off and will take me to some famous place in Hanoi. First, we will go eat noodles at a noodle shop nearby. This is her favorite restaurant. This shop sells bún bò Huế. It means Huế beef noodle. Do you know Huế? It is a city right next to Da Nang. It's a very famous place for its delicious food. In addition, it's also famous for many historical relics, especially the Huế city town. It is the residence of the last king of Vietnam. If you come to Da Nang, remember to visit Huế. Oh, talking about Huế, in a few days, I will go to Ho Chi Minh City for a visa interview. This time, I will go with my mother and will take my mom to travel to some place in Vietnam. I will take my mom to visit Huế for some day and take some video. Then you will understand how wonderful Huế is. Now, we will visit Hanoi train street. Do you know this place? This is a very famous tourist destination in Hanoi. I went here last year, but it was closed. Luckily, it's open this time. Hanoi train street, just like its name. This is a street about 1 meter long with many coffee shops. About every 2 hours, there will be a train passing by. Many tourists will sit and drink coffee, record videos, take pictures every time they see the train. We will sit on the second floor. It's a bit dangerous to sit on first floor. The train passes very close to everyone. It's interesting but also dangerous. I have never heard of any accidents, but safety first. We ordered egg coffee and iced coconut coffee. This was my first time try drink egg coffee, so I choose hot. The egg taste was a bit fishy, so maybe I didn't like it. The iced coconut coffee was much easier to drink. I drank it many times in Da Nang. After playing here for more than 1 hour, we moved to Wet Lake, Hồ Tây. I really like autumn in Hanoi. It's sunny but not hot. The wind is a bit chilly. Sometimes we come here for drink tea. There are many Vietnamese people. Younger people come here to drink. Simply drink iced tea and talk with it. It's like a kind of typical culture of Hanoi. Tomorrow, I will go back to my hometown, spend time with my family, relatives, friends in my hometown. Then I will go to interview in Ho Chi Minh City. If everything goes well, I will move to America at the end of October. I hope my interview goes well. Today's video ends here. Thanks for always watching and supporting my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!